Hello everyone. Have you ever purchased a print or printed panel and wished it had a bit more to it? Today I'm going to show you some ways to take your fabric from plain to wow. Sometimes you might like to make one block of your quilt a focal point, or add something to the print on a yoke or cuff of a garment. Most machines today have a multitude of amazing decorative stitches, and you can easily use them with some specialty threads to do just that. All you'll need is the fabric you want to enhance, some stabilizer, the decorative stitches in your machine, and some beautiful threads. Today I will be using Mirage and Spotlight for my decorative stitching. Mirage is a 30-weight variegated rayon thread. It runs easily in your machine, and the bold, saturated color variegation, combined with its beautiful shine, will really make your stitches stand out. Spotlight is a wrapped metallic on a rayon core. The rayon core has no stretch, which will give you trouble-free stitching and lend a softness to the finished stitches. As always, I'll be using Deco Bob in my bobbin to reduce buildup on the underside of my work when I'm stitching densely. Deco Bob is an 80-weight cottonized polyester and makes a great companion for all top threads. I also want to have a 90-14 top stitch needle in my machine. Then I'll just need some stabilizer, my printed fabric or panel, and my imagination. A striped fabric makes a fun canvas for embellishing. Test some stitches on a scrap piece of fabric to decide which ones you like. I have chosen this decorative stitch and will use my metallic thread Spotlight to stitch in the light colored stripes. This will completely change the look of my fabric piece. You'll want to place a piece of tearaway stabilizer under the stitching lines to prevent the fabric from pulling up with the dense stitching. The finished fabric would make a great bag or pillow or a little decoration on a zippered pouch. Next, I'm going to work on a printed piece of fabric. Look at the design and decide what aspects of the print you would like to enhance and what color you would like to pop in the design. You will find that you can pull your fabric print color one way or another depending on the color you choose. I have chosen to enhance the warm hues of this print by following the design lines with a bold stitch done in orange variegated Mirage. The color changes will add further interest to my design. For this paisley print, I've decided to add some sparkle to the design by tracing the paisley with a metallic thread and a decorative stitch. This would be a great way to add interest to a quilt block. Again, placing stabilizer under the stitching will keep your work from puckering. Now, maybe you have a panel that you would like to add some dimension to. If you have an embroidery machine, duplicating the existing design by embroidering over it will add some real sparkle and a 3D effect. Be careful of your placement lines and centering for the best effect. Even if you don't have an embroidery machine, choosing a strong decorative stitch and simply following the outline of parts of the panel you want to feature will add interest and focus to the piece. So there you have it. All you need to do is think like the artist you are and have some fun playing. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe for more great tips and tutorials. We'll see you all next time.